Hello ladies and gentlemen, Zeke here again today with 3D Printing Pleb, and today we're going to show you how to use Lychee Box's new, Lychee, I don't know. Anyways, their new strut supports, or their new mini-to-mini supports. So, have a couple good examples here of how to use them. So I have a little island right there, but it's not really worth bringing up a full support for, so if you hold Alt and Control, you can then click here, and then click anywhere along here in order to place a support. You don't think that support is thick enough? That's alright. Here, just gotta make sure it's actually contacting there. Click it, and drag the tip diameter, and that will actually increase the width of the whole thing. So this is not only good for model to support action, but also model to model. So if you, let's say, want to support this chin, but you don't want to put a support directly down, instead you want to angle it back into where the Adam's apple should be. Again, just hit Alt Control, click, and then, or click once. I'll undo that. Click once, and then click again. And that is a little bridging support. It won't hold much, but you know, if you move this down a little bit, that might be enough to actually get that chin printed. Actually, let me erase that and do it again because I don't like it. Yeah, so very, very simple, very, very powerful tool. Something I've been really hoping to see for a long time in any slicer, to the point where I'll probably be making the change over to Lychee Box just because of this one feature. I've asked for it in Chitu Box several times. But it allows for minor resculpts instead of very, very difficult to place supports. So for these teeth, instead of putting something weird in there, I can just click and then click and then click and then click, and these are out of the way. Almost no one will ever see them. Well, maybe not the best example, but I'm sure you guys can see what I mean and are probably just as excited by it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the little video, the tiny tutorial, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.